Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You're starting by enabling NFC and prepping the Moto Edge 50 so tags and payments register reliably. Open Settings, go to Connected Devices, and flip NFC on. This enables the radio that reads tags. Once done, remove thick cases or magnetic mounts because they block the signal, and make sure the phone has at least 20% battery so it won't suspend background scanning. Also turn on Bluetooth and location briefly, since some apps use those to assist discovery and pairing. Next, learn to read tags and pair devices. Locate the NFC antenna near the top center of the Moto Edge 50 and bring it within an inch of the tag or terminal. For payments, open your wallet app and select the card. For pairing accessories, use Bluetooth pairing initiated by touching the accessory to the phone. When the phone detects the tag, you'll see a notification or prompt. Tap to approve actions like opening a URL, accepting a Bluetooth pair, or confirming a payment. Finish by confirming the phone completed the action. You should see a notification, hear a tone, or see an on-screen confirmation. If nothing happens, reboot the Moto Edge 50, toggle NFC off and on, and try a known working tag or terminal to isolate the issue. Make sure the app you use has required permissions, location, nearby devices, and wallet or NFC access. If persistent failure occurs, remove the case, check for software updates, and retry before contacting support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.